Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. In a landmark move last week, the UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention, or MOHAP, unveiled a new fast-track regulatory pathway for AI-powered diagnostic software. This initiative, announced on March 30th, is a direct signal to the global medtech community that the UAE is aggressively positioning itself as a premier hub for digital health innovation. This is not just another piece of regulation. It is a strategic, economic, and technological statement. The new framework promises a streamlined review process, aiming to reduce approval times from over a year to as little as 6 months for qualifying software as a medical device, or SAMD. Let's look at the details. The pathway focuses on AI software for radiology, pathology, and early-stage chronic disease detection. For a company to qualify, its product must already have approval from a recognized regulatory body, like the US FDA or a European notified body. But the real nuance lies in the data. The MOHAP guidance places a heavy emphasis on data localization and cybersecurity standards that are specific to the UAE. This means that even with prior international approval, manufacturers must demonstrate how their algorithms are validated for the local Emirati population and how patient data is securely managed within the country's borders. Consider a real-world example. A German startup specializing in an AI tool for diabetic retinopathy screening, which already has CE marking, would be a prime candidate. Previously, they faced a long, uncertain journey to enter the UAE market. Now, they have a clear checklist. However, their main challenge shifts from clinical validation to technical compliance with local data laws. They need to prove their model avoids bias with local demographics and integrates with the UAE's Malafi Health Information Exchange platform. This is a critical pain point that the new pathway illuminates. It's less about if your product works and more about how it works securely within the UAE's digital ecosystem. This move is a direct challenge to other regional players. It creates a competitive regulatory advantage, attracting investment and talent that might have otherwise gone elsewhere. We are likely to see a significant influx of SAMD submissions in the coming months. Companies that can navigate both the clinical and the complex data privacy requirements will find a highly receptive and lucrative market waiting for them. Navigating these rapid changes requires expert guidance. For insights on how to tackle the new UAE AI pathway or enter other MENA markets, you can email or visit Pure Global.